Good morning, and thank you for joining us for STEM Exploration Day 2019. We are so excited to welcome all of you guys to San Diego State University. My name is Acacia Chavira, and I am currently a fourth-year student here at San Diego State University, and I am currently majoring in mathematics with an emphasis in computational science. I have been working for the Pre-College Institute Pathways office for about 7 semesters now. Today is a very special day. Not only is it our local celebration of STEM Day, but it is also National STEM Day. All around the country, people are celebrating fields within STEM, such as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Hi, and welcome to SDSU for STEM Exploration Day. My name is Netta Stevens, and I'm the Program Coordinator for our Educational Talent Search and Talent Search Mentoring. Through these programs, we offer college advising to students like you. We serve 8 area high schools in the region, including Morris, Hoover, Crawford, Southwest, Castle Park, Montgomery, Lincoln, and O'Farrell.
Hi, my name is Jessica Sandoval, and I also work for Talent Search. Another fun part about our programs is our Destination College Initiative, which is a texting campaign for both Upper Bound and Talent Search students to help you stay on track in the summer after high school graduation.
Our goal is to give students the tools they need to succeed in high school and beyond so they can do the amazing things we know that they are capable of. We hope you enjoy today and have a great time.
Hello, hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to STEM Exploration Day. My name is Tomasa Mauricio. I'm the Director of Summer Residential Programs for the Upper Bound and HCOP programs, Health Careers Opportunities Program.
Hi, my name is Cristina Ortiz, and I'm the Executive Assistant for the Pre-College Institute. Between our 3 programs, Upper Bound Star, Upper Bound Classic, and HCAP, we serve 9 high schools. We serve Castle Park, Mar Vista, Morse, Mount Miguel, and Southwest for Classic, and for Star we serve Crawford, El Cajon Valley, Hoover, and San Diego.
Our goal of our program is to motivate and work with students to provide them with skills that will help them be successful in high school and then also onto college. We have an academic year component in which we have advisors go to school sites and visit students on a weekly basis. And we also have a 6-week summer experience where students have the opportunity to live in the SDSU dorms and take classes. We hope that you enjoy your day today.
Thank you for coming!